Latest developments in these cities on Metro Scan, Monday to Friday, 6:30 p.m. only on TD News.
Welcome back. You're watching Gen X, the changing face as far as student-teacher relationship is concerned. Let's look at the positive aspect also. Well, you talked about the wide gap, the deficit as far as the expectations levels are concerned. But I'm sure there's a good side also. Yes.
In school, students come from the same background, but in college, students come from different backgrounds, from different states. But in college, teachers are teaching one language. A student who is from Manipur is not able to understand Hindi.
Okay.
A student from UP is not understand English.
Okay.
How this problem can be solved?
Okay.
Is there any language test
The
in
medium,
that? Or is
the
subject
medium.
test?
Yeah. Next.
Language problem is gonna be a big something.
Language के अलावा और क्या लगता है?
Yes, language and it's easy to say that you should raise the questions, but teachers these days are not able to answer the question raised by the students.
हाँ, तो आपका क्या मानना है?
So teacher either will cross question or otherwise they will not gonna answer you, and it's a way of demoralizing the students. Now that is what happening these days.
Okay. Now let me turn to school kids also here. Yes. What's your point? Well,
I want to ask one
I'll
question.
take your remarks on this.
I want to ask one question. If a teacher has a problem, she can approach to principal. But what if a student has a problem? Where should he go?
Okay. Can we have some teachers here? Yes. Can we have some remarks from you? Ma'am, what's really happened so far, there is a certain sense of unhappiness which is very unfortunate. Any one of you, because either in the capacity of parents or in the capacity of a teacher, what are your inputs? What are your reactions? I mean, why are they not so happy? There seems to be a certain deficit, trust deficit. Why?
This is a kind of relationship where mutual understanding should be there. They expect from their teachers their smiling face. When the teacher enters the class, the teacher should be smiling. And nowadays, I think it is not happening. It is not happening because the teachers are overburdened. There are lots and lots of students in the class, number of students are more, and they are not meeting the expectations of the children. Like, if the teacher has been given some administration work, clerical work also, she is overburdened, and she comes to the class.
Okay.
And she comes to the class with a sad face.
Okay.
She has
So
anxiety. Overburden.
To a certain extent, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Dr. Mehdi, now, not what's the kind of picture? What is your assessment so far? And we have to move ahead in terms of fostering that sense of confidence in these students also, the way ahead, the way forward.
No, actually, I mean, some very, I think, basic questions have been raised by you about the meaning of instruction. You see, before you take admission in any college or university, the student should be aware of what is the medium of instruction in practice.